Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to run multiple linear regression model. So friends, here you can see this is my e-commerce data set. With this I'm going to show you okay how to run multiple linear regression and how to get the output of the multiple linear regression. All right. So for that, here you can see that this is weekly wise that I spend on social media to get sales. So friends, here you can see the first week. Here you can see this first week that I spent on Facebook ads, that is 200 rupees. After spending 200 rupees, how many website visitor I got? Here you can see the 1000. And email campaign I run one, and the average product price was 30 rupees, and amount I earned, that is the revenue, that is 4000. And second week, that is here you can see I spent again on Facebook ads to get sales 400 rupees again. And a website visitor I got again, this is 1800. And email campaign I ran 2, and after the average product price is 35 rupees. Total amount in second week I earned, that is how much? 6700. And third week, that is I again spend money on Facebook ads, that is 150 rupees. And after spending 150 on Facebook ads, and I got website visitor, that is 850. All right. And I spend again, sorry, I run the email campaign want, and again the average product price was 28, and amount that I earned, that is 3500. And for a week that I spent 600 rupees on Facebook ads to get more and like website visitor and sales. And here I got, and after I like spending like 600 on Facebook ads for a week, and 2200, and I got website visitor. And after that, and I run in that week, that is 300, sorry, 3 email campaign, and after that 32 rupees the average product price. And total I earn in that week, that is 8000. And if I talk about the 5 week here, fifth, and 300 rupees I spend again on Facebook ads, okay, to get sales, okay, website visitor. And here after spending like a 200, sorry, 300 rupees on Facebook ads, I got website visitor that 1200. And here email campaign that I run to in that week, again the price, the average product price was 29 rupees, and total I earned in that week, that is 5000. 6 week that I spent again 350 rupees again on Facebook ads. Again after spending 350 on Facebook ads, I got website visitor 1400. All right. And email that I ran in that week, that is the 2 email campaign 2, and after the 31 rupees that is average product price was. And here you can see this total amount I earned, 5500. And last week 7, that is 500 rupees again I spent on Facebook ads to get more sales and website visitor. So for that, after that I got website visitor, how many? That is 2000 website visitor. And here you can see email campaign I run again 3. Again, the average product price was 33 rupees, and total amount the last week that I earned 7500. So, so friends, now what we have to do is, now we are going to run multiple linear regression model. So for that, make sure that you click on data, and after that click on this data analytic and click on regression. So friends, here just let me remove first both box. So here you can see input y range. Here mean that you need to insert your dependent variable. So here our dependent variable is revenue, just like this. Sorry, just like this. And after that, in input x range, here we need to insert, that is independent variable. So here you might have some doubt, which is called independent variable. All right, so these are the independent variable, that is Facebook ads, website visitor, email campaign, and average product price. So for that, what I have to do is just make sure that you click on this box, input x range, and after that select like this. All right, And after that, make sure that you click on this label box, and after that confident level, and after that this output range, it is nothing but where you want to display the summary output of the regression. So for that, just click on here, and after that I'm going to display on this cell. Just click on, and after that it will show this like this, and after that just click on OK. So now this is the summary output. All right, so friends, here you can see this the most thing that we need to focus in regression. So here you can see this overall of the significant, and also we can call the p-value. So it is the variable statistically significant. How? See, let me show you the rule. So if less than 0.05, which mean the variable statistically significant. If greater than 0.05, which mean the variable statistically not significant. All right, so next let's jump into it. So here friends, if we talk about the intercept, here Facebook ads, this is the variable. There is 4 variable. Here you can see Facebook ads. Let me show you clearly. This is the Facebook ads. Here you can see this, and website, there is a visitor. Here you can see this, and this is the third email campaign variable. That is email campaign variable. Average product price, this is the average product, average product price. All right, variable. So overall friends, here you can see this exactly. Here you can email campaign for, okay, it is showing that this is the highest. All right, this is the, it is here you can see the 468.9327. that means it is clearly like showing that this is the the great way to get sales from the email campaign. So friends, this is how you need to look like over you need to understand this thing. So see, now maybe you are like analyzing this data, and you're running like multiple linear regression for your client, so to get which is the best like best option that you can run for future like to get more sales. So this is how you can check friends. So here you can see email campaign. Let me repeat again. Here it is the high rate. That means this is as of now complete overall the total, but it is overall it is okay. But if you talk the more like that the business owner should focus on email campaign. So in from email campaign, that business owner can get more sales. So in this way friends, you can run multiple linear regression. Thank you so much friend for watching my video. Bye bye.